Welcome back to day 12 of my mixed media advent calendar series. I will give away 3 big stamp sets from Rubber Dance. The winner will be drawn randomly from the video that has the most comments. So for a chance to win, make sure to leave a comment on each video of the 24 Days of Christmas series. I'm creating a vintage mixed media tag today, and for that I'm making a Distress Oxide background. The tag is covered with a layer of gesso. I'm spritzing some water through a stencil. This creates a nice watermark effect on the background. The stencil that I'm using is from Stamparations. And here is also a little sneak peek on the upcoming release from Rubber Dance. I color the flower with the Mijello Mission Gold watercolors. I'm searching for some scrap papers of my little junk journal booklets. I use these booklets to work in my junk journal most of the time, and these are handmade, and I just use everything that I have laying around and don't know where to put it and staple it together, so I have it ready to go when I'm working in my junk journal. The stamp that I'm using for the background is also from Rubber Dance. I picked part of an old tea bag to create kind of a vase for my flower. I have stamped the word dream onto the vase and I'm stamping my sentiment onto a piece of old book paper. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a comment for a chance to win the 3 stamp sets from Rubber Dance. I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye!